All right then. I guess. Yeah, we're live. Cool. You ready
Okay.
to start the quiz then?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna take a second and put all these numbers into the Excel.
Uh, afterwards.
So when we put these in, are we just like going across? So like column 1 would be 250, column 2 would be 300, and then 4 would be 50, and the like column 5 would be 600. Is that how you would do it?
Um, so hold on, let's see.
Or just
Don't worry about the total. Don't put that in because it'll calculate
so
that
just
itself. So just
oh
wait. Do we even? I don't even know if we need the column total. No, we don't need that. So just put in as you see it line, laid out, like the 250 will go in column 1, row 1, and then the 200 will go in column 1, row 2, and so on and so forth.
okay.
It'll be just at the
So don't worry about like column total.
No, don't worry about the totals because you'll see they actually calculate that at the bottom and to the right.
Right. Okay.
Okay. I wish there was a way to just like copy and paste everything.
Okay. I think I got it.
Okay. All right then. So demands, voting preferences,
Hmm.
which hypothesis is appropriate for addressing the research question? Okay.
Mm, gender and voting.
We're on 3, right?
We're on 3.
Yeah.
Isn't it the null hypothesis is gender and voting preferences are not independent?
What?
Wouldn't it be the second one, the middle one?
the null hypothesis should be the independent, and the alternative hypothesis should be the not independent one.
Yeah.
So the first
Is
one,
that
right?
your second one? Because that's my second one.
Oh, okay. So mine's the first one. The gender and voting preferences are independent. That's the null hypothesis, and the gender and voting preferences are not independent for the alternative hypothesis.
Okay, that's my second.
So,
I'm gonna click it.
Okay.
that's the
Yeah.
second one. Okay. Wow, then I really shouldn't just say, okay, the first one, second one, third one. All right. So number 4. So the degrees
Is
of
that
freedom.
just our number of rows minus 1 times number of columns minus 1?
Uh-huh.
And then 5 would be 2.
That's what I've got. Are the requirements for conducting a chi-squared test?
Each expected count must be greater than or equal to 5.
Is it yes? There are at least 5 or sorry, not yes. Sorry, but that's the requirements.
Yeah.
No, right?
Well, each count is greater than 5, so like 250, 200, 300, 150, 50.
Okay. For some reason, I was just thinking about columns and rows.
So it'd be
Yes, all of the expected cell counts are greater than 30. I don't know why the 30.
Really?
Yeah.
or
I don't know. These are worded a little strangely to me. I don't know why.
I don't know why there's a 30
because
there.
in the reading it says each expected count must be greater than or equal to 5.
Right.
So when it says count, is that like the numbers that that are in the thing, the table?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
So would it be like there are at least 5 expected counts in each cell? Would it be that one?
Yeah, I think that's, yeah. Yeah, sorry, the wording just threw me off. But I think that's the correct one. Okay, what is the value of chi-squared test statistic? I have 16.2.
Yeah, me too.
Or 16.20 since we need to round it to decimals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is the value of p-value of this problem?
Point 0.003, but do we put the 3?
No, it's just round to 3 decimals. So since it would just be 0.000 then.
Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah, it extends all the way out to 4 when we don't even need that. Okay. So based on that, the Q is low, so we've rejected the null. So it's not independent. Where is it?
Wait, there's. Did you say there's what? There's not significant evidence? Is that what you?
There is.
Sorry, I'm starving. I didn't eat lunch or anything today at work.
Oh. Okay.
Is it the not enough evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are not independent?
Wait, did you say not enough or sufficient?
I don't know. I can never remember which one it is.
I think it's, let me go back to the reading to confirm. But I think there is sufficient evidence. Okay, yeah, it should be there is sufficient evidence. Hold on. There is sufficient evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are not independent.
Okay.
Because in the prep assignment, one of the questions in the group 2 section was state your conclusions about blah blah blah. Anyway, they were rejecting the null hypothesis like we did, and they said we have sufficient evidence to show that blah 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 is not independent. So sufficient should be right. That was the first one with me. What about you guys? Oh, I actually can't hear you anymore, Akita. And where did Chelsea go?
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
Okay. I don't know. My Google Hangout is just green. Like the screen is green. I can't even see any of you guys. So I don't know where Chelsea. Where did she go?
Well, that's worrisome because she's the one in control of the whole live
Thingy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what's happening.
Yeah, I can still see you and me.
I can't see anything.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, let's hope that she gets back on.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't know what to think right now. That's really bizarre.
Is it still recording though, like in the corner?
It says it is.
And I think it still is.
Yeah. So, she said her computer was acting slow, so maybe it. Oh, she's back. I think she's back.
Hello.
Hey. What happened?
Me?
Chelsea. Can she not hear me? Oh, no. She's trying to get back on. Okay, we'll just. Wow. Okay, we have to set up. We have to set up another
Stupid thing.
thing in Excel.
Mm-hmm. At least it's Excel and it's not SPSS because that takes forever to load with me.
Well, there is apparently a way to do it in SPSS, but oh my gosh. Talk about confusing compared to this. Yeah.
I was reading the instructions and I was like, what?
Yeah, I was just like, no, I'm just gonna stick with I'm gonna stick with this.
Yeah.
Okay. This is when things get messed up super easy if we don't put them in the right order, or if we don't put them in the right order. Okay.
What'd you say?
If we get just one number wrong or put in the wrong order, it could mess up everything. There's so many numbers.
Mine's still loading.
What's that?
My thingy is still loading, like the data.
Your Excel or
The chiropractor data. Is Chelsea back?
no?
I literally can't see anything.
Okay.
Hmm.
That chiropractic data, that's